Hi guys, it is our third day in Porto right now, third and final full day. We are just on the road next to the main square area, and I've got the 50mm f1.4 on the camera, doing a bit of street photography at the moment before we make our way around and down to beside the river, because we've got that view of the bridge on the river. We haven't actually been down beside the river. Maybe look to do a boat tour or something like that today. If not, we'll just go around taking more photos and then go to BOAVISTA match this evening. Photos for the time being right now. That's relatively cool. Center Cinematics.
Dañamos todo, dañamos el cuarto. Un polvito eso no lo comparto. Y si tú quieres te parto. Bebé, es que noche de infarto. Espero que no sea alcohol, que si se enamora nos dejamos todo, el amor perfora, yeah. Baby, la volví señora. Abre la caja Pandora, yeah. Cómo mete todo este momento. En encaje sos un monumento, yeah. Nadie siente lo que por ti siento. Baby, lo siento, pero es que quiero darte. No paro de pensarte. Pregunta a tus amigas que he tratado de olvidar.
So, as you've seen, we've been taking photos. We went to that other church. I forgot to vlog there. Got some really cool shots there. Went in a couple shops, bought some souvenirs, and for the umpteenth time we're back up at Porto Cathedral. Yeah, this time we're not stopping here again. We're going beyond that. We're going to go down the other side to the river and then sit by the river, eat some food, and then look for a boat tour. But as usual, this place is beautiful, incredible views, and much better weather than yesterday. It's not as overcast. We've got nice blue sky and sun. It is so beautiful, this spot though, isn't it? Like, it's mad and it's kind of hidden. It's just on this street, and we just came down and found this rock, which it seems no one else knows about, because every time we come here it's really quiet. Yeah, beautiful view of the, I think it's Dom Luis, the first bridge. Yeah, we're not actually meaning to stay here. Like I said, we're going to make our way down to just down beside the river down there, but we're passing by and just came to sat for a couple minutes to have a couple cookies to eat. Yeah, let's head down to the river now. Look at this for a viewing spot. Underneath the bridge up there, we have this little ledge here. Got the palace up there behind me, and a tunnel going under here which looks really nice. You look down here, you've got all the boats beside the river. Oh, up getting the street up behind me as well, which we just came down. Incredible viewing spot. This place is so beautiful. So many good photos you can get from here. Yeah. Walking alongside the river now. This place is beautiful. We've got the bridge up behind me, and we're getting some very, very good photos. The light is perfect, it's sunny, it's not too hot, it's about 17-18 degrees. When the sun's on you can get pretty warm, especially with a backpack on. But yeah, with this weather I'd actually highly recommend visiting Porto in February or March, because you're not going to overheat like you would do in the summer when it gets up to the 30s. So it's perfect time of year if it's sunny. Yeah, beautiful. So I stopped off for some late lunch at this little coffee shop with the best view in Porto, surely. And I have myself an acai bowl, and Josh has got ham and cheese sandwiches. And yeah, this looks really good. I'm going to eat it now. Finally walking across the bridge. It's taken us like 2 days to come up here. Finally, probably got the wrong lens on for this, but incredible view, which you'll see in the cinematic clips in a moment. And every now and then a metro train comes across, so you've got to be wary of that. Somewhere up there behind me, you've got all this wall coming down as well, like old castle ruins and whatnot. And you can literally see the entirety of the main part of the old city over here, behind me in that direction.